friends, my name is Jagrut Barot, and today I am here. Today I am present here for teaching chemistry how to easy and understand easily chemistry. So today I am teach you 12th Science English Medium Unit 2. Unit 2 is a solution. So shall we start? What is a solution? Solution means solute and solvent. Solution have two parts, solute and solvent. Almost all process in body occurs in some kind of liquid solution. यानी कि अपने जो बॉडी में ऑलमोस्ट जो रिएक्शन होती है वो लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन में होती है. तो solution contains solute and solvent. It is a huge quantity, and solute is a small, are very small, small in quantity. Almost it's like one. It means they 1, 2, and like there were many numbers. Solute have many numbers, different. But solvent is only contain huge quantity, only one. Solution are homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. Okay. The solution, the phase of solution depend on solvent phase. Solution phase depend on solvent phase, यानी कि जो पार्ट सबसे ज्यादा है सॉल्यूशन में उसका फेज सॉल्यूशन में दिखाई देगा. मतलब सॉल्वेंट कंटेन ह्यूज क्वांटिटी, सो solution phase depend on solvent. Okay. Let's see here types of solution: gaseous solution, liquid solution, and solid solution. Gaseous solution. Why it is a gaseous? Because the solvent phase is gas. Okay. Solvent gas and solute gas. The example of this solution is a mixture of air. Okay. Then second, solvent gas and solute liquid. The example of chloroform mixture with N2 gas. Chloroform in N2 gas. Then other gas and solid. Gas is a solvent and solute is a solid. Camphor in a nitrogen gas. Okay. Then liquid solution. Liquid solution. Why it is a liquid? Because the solvent phase is liquid. Okay. Then solvent is a liquid, solute is a gas, oxygen dissolved in water, and also soda, water, CO2 in H2O. ओके. आप सोडा पीने जाते हो ना, जो सोडा शॉप पे होता है उसमें CO2 H2O में डिसॉल्व करके देते हैं. देन लिक्विड is a solvent and liquid is a solute. So the example is ethanol dissolved in water. Then other types is a liquid as a solvent and solute is a solid. Glucose dissolved in water, the example of this. After that, solid solution. Why we call is solid solution? Because the phase of solvent is a solid. Okay. Then solvent is a solid and solute is a gas. Then the example of solution of hydrogen in palladium. Palladium is a metal and palladium have a pore. So the gas of the hydrogen gas pore in the metal surface. Okay. That's why we call solid solution. Okay. Then after solid is a solvent and liquid is a solute. Amalgam of mercury with sodium. Sodium is a metal and mercury is a one-est metal in liquid form. Okay, the mixture of this metal and this mercury metal and sodium metal, it's called the type of solution. After that, solvent is a solid and solute is a solid. Copper dissolve in a gold. Okay, the mixture of all metals we call solid solution. Okay, then solutions have a two parts. Now solution how to describe, यानी कि आप कुछ बाजार में से कुछ खरीदते हो, तो अगर आप पीछे देखोगे ना तो उसमें कंटेंट लिखा होगा 3 ppm 10% W/W, तो वो कैसे होता है, यानी कि सॉल्यूशन का जो कंसंट्रेशन है वो कैसे हम माप सकते हैं, तो उसके लिए डिफरेंट एनालॉजी है। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम वो एनालॉजी पढ़ेंगे। अगर इस वीडियो में आपको कुछ डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में प्लीज कमेंट करना, और हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें।